Ready to crush your fitness goals? Understanding and tracking your macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fats is a game changer. Let's break it down. First up, protein. Think of it as the builder. It's crucial for muscle repair, growth, and keeping you full. Chicken, fish, beans, tofu load up on these powerhouses. Aiming to build muscle or preserve it while losing fat. Protein is your best friend. Next, carbohydrates, your body's main energy source. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, they fuel your workouts and your brain. Don't fear carbs. Choose complex ones for sustained energy throughout your day. They're essential for performance and recovery. And fats. Often misunderstood, but healthy fats are vital. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. These support hormone production, vitamin absorption, and overall health. They also add flavor and keep you satisfied. So, why track these macros? It's about precision. Whether your goal is fat loss, muscle gain, or just better energy, knowing your macro split helps you eat smarter, not just less. It tailors your nutrition directly to your specific objectives. It might sound complex, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine easily logging your meals and seeing exactly how your protein, carbs, and fats stack up against your personal targets. Good news. An amazing new app is coming soon to simplify all of this for you, making macro tracking intuitive and effective. Stay tuned, follow Pulse, and get ready to meet your macros like never before.